Most people think you need to show your face to make money on YouTube, but that is totally wrong. See, in 2025, a lot of faceless YouTube channels are exploding. These channels are making thousands of dollars every single month here on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us 8 simple faceless YouTube channel ideas that is going to make you rich within the space of 1 year. And also, I'll be sharing with us the examples of the channels that is excelling well already and why this niche is going to keep on exploding even in year 2026. Okay, so try your best to make sure you pay attention, and without much being said, let's get started. So the first faceless channel idea on our list for today is AI and automation tutorials. Now you have to understand that the world is now advanced. AI is literally taking over the place, and that is why on daily basis a lot of people are searching out on tutorials about how to make use of ChatGPT, Mid-Journey, some AI apps for editing, just like as we have the 11 labs, InVideo AI and the rest of them. So many people are out there searching out for this kind of apps. So if you're able to create a channel and focus your attention on helping out with all these, then you're simply going to make it. The good part is you don't need to show your face, you don't need a camera. What you just need is a step-by-step screen recording tutorial and probably a voiceover that you can also get making use of 11 Lab or maybe any other AI voiceover app that you know. And a very good advantage of this niche is that it has high CPM, which is advertisers pay really high. And also you can also offer programs just like affiliate marketing and a lot of other things. So this is a very brilliant niche idea that you can go into and excel in 2025. Now, the number 2 faceless channel idea on our list for today is motivational and success shorts. The good thing I love about this niche is that shorts are blowing up, and motivational content is one of the easiest faceless niche because from time to time people are always searching out for motivational videos to keep them going. What do you simply need to do? You don't need to do much. What you just need is stock footage. That is some images which you can get from Google, Pinterest, Canva, and a lot of apps like that. Then the second thing you need is a voiceover, or you can even make use of your own voice. But in order for you to stand out and be able to reach much more audience, you'll be needing a voiceover, and there are so many apps and websites to help you with the voice. So this channel is very easy and it has a high CPM, most especially if you target the right audience. This is a less stressful channel that you can focus on and be making a lot of money on YouTube. And a very beautiful example is Motivational Hub. This channel racks up millions of views on daily basis, and if you're able to check out and calculate how much this channel makes, it's a whole lot. The thing is, just start it and you will see the growth coming in. So the third idea on our list for today is kids and animation channel. This particular niche is literally blowing up overnight. Why? Is because try to check out channels like Cocomelon. These are kids channel on daily basis. Every single day I can't count how many times I visit Cocomelon apps and also some other cartoon faceless channels on YouTube. Why? Is because I have a toddler. Now compare it to thousands of babies and toddlers out there. So this channel is really making it. What you just need to do is you can even use the app Canva to create your own cartoon, to create your own baby friendly story, and get the right image with a voiceover and sound. All these things are very easy to create. If you're able to come up with them, the next thing is to open your YouTube channel and start uploading video. And one good thing about this niche is that it keeps generating revenue, it keeps generating views over the years. You can, for instance, check out channels like Cocomelon. There are some videos that was posted 5 years ago. Some of them happen to be my baby's favorite, and on daily basis he's always watching it. So this niche is going to keep bringing revenue for you as time goes on. So the fourth faceless channel idea on our list for today that is literally making a lot of people rich out there is Faceless Finance and Investing. See, you have to understand that on daily basis, people are constantly searching for how to make money video ideas, how to save money, how to get out of debt, and a lot of other stuffs. And one good part of this niche is that the CPM is literally very high. I think it stands as one of the best performing YouTube niche when it comes to the CPM aspect, most especially when you have the right audience watching you. And to be able to create this kind of videos, what you just need is your point first, which you can as well get ideas from anywhere, be it ChatGPT. That is after being able to generate or get your script correctly. Another thing you need is the voiceover. Then after that, you can either use screen recording or maybe stock images and videos. That is to make the video much more engaging. Or if possible, if you're into investing, that is you know how to make use of this cryptocurrency and a lot of other apps that can actually teach people on how to invest and make money. What you just need is their screen recording and their voiceover. There are so many channels out there that are doing this niche and they are making money. Another advantage is when it comes to affiliating, because so many companies and brand will want to reach out to you for collaboration or a paid promotion video. So this Faceless channel idea, this particular one, is going to literally make you rich if you do it the right way in 2025 and in some years to come. So the fifth Faceless channel idea on our list for today is gaming, documentary and stories. You have to understand that gaming is one of the largest and biggest community on YouTube, and there are a lot of faceless channels that are constantly here giving either updates or showing videos of some games and a lot of other stuff. And these channels are doing so well, and a very good example on our list is Sunny V2, that makes story driven about gaming and internet documentaries. So this is a channel that you can look up to when starting this particular kind of niche. So you can literally start up maybe from telling stories, exposing gaming drama, or even doing documentary videos. There are some channels that you will come up to here on YouTube. What they literally do is sharing the reaction of some gamers, that is when playing their game, and this channel pulls a lot of view. And the good part is they are making money from it. Their CPM is also quite high, most especially when you target the right audience. Okay, so the sixth Faceless channel idea on our list for today is relaxation and sleep sounds. This particular niche is evergreen because people will always need this sleep sounds, rain sound, white sound and ocean waves. The good thing is you really don't need to talk in the video. What you just need is to get the sound and the visual. A very good example of a channel in this niche is Soothing Relaxation, and this channel has videos that are literally close to 10 hours long, 2 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, with hundreds and millions of views. You can start somewhere, and as time goes on, your views keeps accumulating and you build off an audience. One of the reasons why this particular niche work very well is because on daily basis, people will want to keep replaying it, either when they are sleeping, in the hospital, or maybe anywhere. And as they keep replaying it, that is how your money is counting, because YouTube is going to pay you, and the CPM is also quite okay. So this is also another niche idea that you can decide to go into in 2025 and start earning your money. So the seventh Faceless channel niche idea on our list for today is history and animated documentaries. One good thing about this niche is that education happens to be one of the largest and biggest niche here on YouTube. And these faceless channels that deals mainly with documentary, animation, videos of animals in the past, or how the world used to be in the past, they are performing very, very well. And a great example on our list for today is these channels that talk about infographics show, which is strictly about pure animation and narration. This kind of videos, they tend to get views over and over time. Another great advantage of this niche is that it's evergreen, because on daily basis, in time to come, in years to come, people will always come down to YouTube to search out for how animals once live, how human beings once eat in the past, maybe 100 years ago, 60 years ago. So this is a great channel idea. The good part is they always pull views, and the CPM is also high. Why? Is because education is involved. Okay, so this is a niche idea that you can give a try. So the eighth faceless niche idea that I will share with us today in this video is entertainment and top 10 compilation videos. You have to understand that the word entertainment actually rules to some extent. So on daily basis, people are always on YouTube searching out for entertainment videos, searching out for things that are trending in the entertainment industry, searching out about Tyler, Aria, Davido, and a lot of other celebrities out there. So this kind of niche is evergreen, and also their CPM is quite alright, most especially when you are targeting the right audience. Then another thing is this top 10 kind of videos, because on daily basis people want to know the top 10 richest Nollywood actor, the top 10 richest Bollywood actor, top 10 richest surgeon in the world. So this kind of videos about top 10 this, top 10 that, they also tend to make a lot of money here on YouTube. And what you just need to do, you don't even need your face, you just need voiceover, your script, and you're good to go with the stock footage, images and videos to be able to explain your point more. So this niche are paying, and the good thing is they are evergreen content. So as they keep gathering the views and the momentum, that is how YouTube also is paying you. And yes, these are the 8 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can literally start now and become rich overnight. The thing is, you don't really need all the fancy equipment in the world. Even with your Android phone, you can start, because now you are not showing your face. You just need the images which are online everywhere. Just try to get it from the right source in order for you to avoid copyright, and try to give value in your content. Now you might start it and you might not really get the visibility initially, because if you check out these channel examples that I listed, they didn't just start it overnight and start gathering the views. So you need to build an audience to some extent, and you need to always check out for what is trending and what is not trending. That is trying to always stand out with your content, and believe me when I say you're going to excel in it. Okay, so quickly go down to the comment section and let me know the particular niche idea that you'll be trying, or if maybe you are a faceless creator. Okay, so if you're able to make it to this part and you're struggling with growing here on YouTube, gathering the views, getting watch hours, this is a video on how to get more watch hours on YouTube. And also this is another video on how you can be able to get subscribers faster, the easiest and the simplest way. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video if you watch to this extent, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.